Welcome, students. Today we will learn something about the natural resources. Natural resources will include the first topic, that is classification of natural resources and problems associated to them. What are natural resources? The resources which are provided by nature are known as natural resources. Such resources are the gift of nature to the mankind. For example, air, water, soil, forest, etc. Now, classification of natural resources. Natural resources can be classified into different types based on the chemical nature, distribution, and availability. Based on the chemical nature or chemical composition, natural resources can be classified into three groups: organic natural resources, inorganic natural resources, and mixed natural resources. Organic natural resources are those natural resources which are made up of carbon atoms. For example, forest, fossil fuels, they are having organic chemical composition. Inorganic natural resources, those resources which are made up of inorganic compounds or the ions and are inorganic in their chemical composition. For example, air, water. Water is made up of different types of ions, that is H positive and OH negative ions. So water is inorganic natural resource. Mixed natural resources, those resources which are having both organic and inorganic compounds, these are known as mixed natural resources. For example, soil, minerals, etc. Based on the distribution, natural resources can be classified into three types: national resources, multinational resources, and international resources. Natural resources which are the property of one particular nation are known as national resources. For example, coal mines, gold mines, they are belonging to one particular nation, so they are called national resources. Multinational resources, natural resources which are shared by two or more than two nations are known as multinational resources. For example, rivers, lakes, etc. These resources are shared by different nations. For example, River Nile is being shared by three nations. International resources, those resources which are shared by all the nations are known as international resources. For example, air is an international natural resource. Based on the availability of natural resources in the nature, they are classified into two types: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are present in abundance in the nature. Their availability is unlimited. They include air, water, and solar energy. They will not get exhausted. They will be polluted to certain extent, but they will not vanish. Exhaustible natural resources which get exhausted with the passage of time due to their consumption are known as exhaustible natural resources. For example, forest resources, mineral resources, their quantity or availability is limited. Exhaustible natural resources are further of two types: renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources are those which can be regenerated or renewed again and again. They may get replenished with time. For example, forest resources. Non-renewable natural resources, they cannot be regenerated immediately in the nature. Their continuous consumption lead to the exhaustion. For example, fossil fuels, mineral resources, they cannot be regenerated immediately. Now we will discuss about the problems associated to the natural resources. Natural resources are having various problems associated to them. For example, unequal consumption of natural resources, water crisis, energy crisis, global warming, deforestation, environmental pollution. Let us discuss one by one. Unequal consumption of natural resources means all the nations they do not consume same amount of natural resources. For example, the whole world can be divided into two groups, developed nations and developing nations. Developed nations like USA, Russia, UK, they constitute only 20% population of the whole world, but they consume 80% of natural resource. On the other hand, develop, developing nations like India, China, Pakistan, they constitute 80% of the population of the world, but they consume only 20% of natural resource. So this unequal consumption of natural resources is one of the biggest problem of natural resource. Hence, there should be rational consumption of natural resources. Similarly, water crisis. You can well imagine water crisis is one of the another big issue related to the natural resources. Water table is declining day by day, so there is crisis of drinking water availability. Hence, there is need to do rainwater harvesting. Energy crisis is also rising day by day due to the non-availability of non-renewable energy resources like coal, oil, natural gas, etc. Hence, there is need to exploit more and more renewable energy resources like solar energy, biomass energy, or biogas, etc. Then global warming is another issue. The earth is getting warm day by day. There is continuous increase in the temperature of the globe due to the more and more emission of carbon dioxide or greenhouse gases. Hence, there is need to plant more and more trees, and by increasing more and more forest cover, global warming can be addressed. Deforestation, it is continuous cutting down of the forest or the trees for various commercial purposes. Hence, we should go for the various reforestation programs. Trees should be grown through afforestation, reforestation, social forestry, and urban forestry should also be included. Lastly, environmental pollution is again one of the very big issue that natural air, natural water, natural soil is being polluted by so many pollutants. It should be addressed immediately. In the end, we can conclude natural resources are very invaluable gift of the nature to the mankind. So it is the need of the hour that we must conserve the natural resources, and we should take the pledge, being the students, that we will conserve the natural resources to the great extent. So I am greatly thankful to all of you. I hope so. You must have liked this video. Kindly share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.